Assembly, Vishram. Good morning everyone. Today's moral code of the day is always tell truth. If you tell truth, you will never say always tell truth. If you tell truth, you will never have to remember anything. हिंदी में हमेशा आप सत्य बोलिए. यदि आप सत्य बोलते हैं तो आपको कुछ भी याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. कच्ची कैडेट कृष पांडे. थैंक यू. असेंबली सावधान. प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार. प्रार्थना शुरू कर. जैसे थे असेंबली प्रतिज्ञा के लेते हैं. इंडिया इज माई कंट्री. ऑल इंडियन आर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स. आई लव माई कंट्री एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Jai Sefe. Assembly. Vishram.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself from other people. I repeat my thought. Happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself from other people. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Participated Daksh Bameta, Course Semi School, Ghodakal 6.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, some news headlines are: the Insurance Regulates and Development Authority of India (IRDAI) recently issued draft guidelines for Indian companies. The Union Cabinet recently approved the production of linked semi of white goods such as air conditioners and LED lights. The Union Cabinet recently apprised Memorandum of Understanding signed between India and Japan. The INSR Shushkar is on development to the Marutis for undertaking hydrographical shots along with Marutis. Thank you, Curtain Credit Somil Kumar, Courts Sainik School, Ghodakal 9.
A very good morning to present over here. Myself is Muskan Keswani. I am studying class 8. Today I am speaking the speech on the topic of is the government doing ignore to tell global warming. Global warming has become a major threat to hold the earth today. It is a rapid increase in the earth temperature due to greenhouse gases that are trapped in the earth's atmosphere. Out of these, carbon dioxide says the longest in the earth atmosphere. It is the government doing ignore to tell global warming. There are mixed opinion as to the measures the government take to keep global warming in check. More than 50% of Americans say that the government is not doing ignore to control the rising rates of global warming. It is due to global warming that we experience extreme climates and vivid climate change. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is meritorious. Meritorious. Part of speech is adjective. Hindi meaning is saraniya, gudwan. Synonym praiseworthy. Antonym dishonorable. Question of the day is: how many states and union territories are there in India? Yes, you. Yes, the correct answer is 28 states and 8 union territories.
Good morning everyone. Today's moral code of the day is always tell truth. If you tell truth, you never have to remember anything. हिंदी में हमेशा सत्य बोलिए. यदि आप सत्य बोलते हैं तो आपको कुछ भी याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. कच्ची कैडेट कृष पांडे कोर्स सैनिक स्कूल घोड़ाखाल 9.
Assembly, सावधान. स्टाफ मेंबर्स बाय मोड़. असेंबली, राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर. Management staff, line door. Teaching staff, line door. Office staff, line door. Academy, line door. Load on number to be on.